Hi everyone, it's Arshila here. I thought I'd do this personal video just for you guys. So what we're doing is that the Elite Property Tribe is now closed, and it's closed up until I think June or July 2019. So if you didn't get onto that, the reason for me doing this video is because quite a few of you actually came through to me and said, Arsh, I wouldn't mind doing the 2-day intensive that we're doing. And so that's going to be held on Saturday the 16th and Saturday the 17th of February 2019. So that's this weekend. It is short notice, and I appreciate and I apologise about that. So what we're going to be doing on the 2 days is that we're going to be doing pretty much a full sourcing intensive weekend. So we're going to be looking at the types of deals that we should be looking at. So whether that be HMO, whether it be blocks of apartments, whether we can try and negotiate great deals on buy-to-lets. And as a result of that, we're also going to be showing you how to get directly in contact with agents, vendors, letting agents, auction houses, and all the different strategies. So we've got 2 whole days with me. Now, specifically, before I was thinking literally of just doing this for the Elite Property Tribe members, but I thought, well, why don't we open it out just to a select few? And when we say select few, there's only 10 spaces for this because we cannot facilitate any more than 10 people from people that are not the EPT members. And as a result, you'll get to see all the things that we do as part of the EPT, but there is no upsell because there is nothing to offer. It's the honest answer. We're going to be doing a lot of looking at properties, how we structure properties, how we strategize, how we find properties, locations, looking at all the different types of sourcing. And over 2 days, you're going to walk away with an absolute shed load of information. Like I said, this is only available for 10 people. Now, we haven't got a link for it because I just thought, well, we're going to just offer this out to a few people that were interested in potentially the EPT but didn't actually go through to the process of becoming a member of the EPT, and that's fine. You know, that may be for a number of reasons. So if you like the look of that, if you like the thought of that, all you got to do is click below and click that you're potentially interested. Or send me an email, just respond to the email, say I'm interested, here's my name, here's my contact details, so email address and phone number. And what we'll arrange is that I'll call you either on Tuesday or Wednesday this week and see if you want to get involved. So hopefully you enjoy the short, sharp video. Appreciate it's, rough and rugged, but it is what it is. Speak to you all soon. Thank you, bye.